Hi, this is Prem. Welcome to Post Market Report dated 8th April 2024. First, let us look into the US market. US market last week, the non-farm payroll data was published. The expectation was US to add 212k jobs, but the actual data was 303k jobs added in the US market. So it has beat the expectation. The market also cheered. Probably now the federal government is clueless about what to decide about the rate cut. That's what I feel. So we have to wait and watch. So with the existing data, whatever received in the last 1 month, none of the data was supporting the rate cut. So probably the federal government have to wait and see the next 2 months data to decide whether they can go for a rate cut or not. All data seems to be in support of the a strong economy for the US market. So in spite of US interest rate at 5.25 to 5.5, the economy seems to be growing stronger and stronger. So this is probably 1 year before, probably the inflation of US was around 9%. Now from 9% it is down to 3%. From 3% to 2% seems to be big challenge actually now for the federal government to come down to 2% inflation. So this is the update about US market. Stock specific, not much change in most of the stocks in US market, except Meta was about 3%. And coming back to Asian markets, Japan traded higher today. Last Friday, Japan was down by around 750 points. Nikkei was down by around 750 points. Today, there is some recovery, around 350 points recovered from the Friday's loss. That's what we could see. Probably profit booking was there in last Friday, and today there was a recovery. That's what we feel. One of the most stable market is the China market. Shanghai, if you look at 2019, it was trading at 3040. And today also it is trading at 3040. So such a stable market we could never see anywhere in the globe. So China is the most stable market. So these are the updates from US and Asia. Coming back to Indian market, Nifty ended all-time high today. Nifty, it's a gap up opening today of around 150 to 170 points. The gap up opening was sustained, and Nifty ended up around 152 points higher and closed at 22,666. Friday Nifty was about 22,500. So no one expected Nifty will again touch a new high, but Nifty ended high with 22,666. Bank Nifty is a consolidation today. Intraday, Bank Nifty also crossed the all-time high today, but ended up with 88 points higher and closed at 48,581. So Nifty, Reality and Auto led the rally today. Auto, Eicher Motor, Maruti, Mahindra and Mahindra, TVS Motor and Hero Motorcar all contributed for the Nifty positive trend today. Nifty Oil and Gas also contributed today. So RIL up by around 51 points today. RIL alone contributed around 40 points for the Nifty today. So IGL, Gujarat Gas all were up today. Nifty Reality also contributed for the Nifty positive trend today. Godrej Properties, Suntech Realty, India Bulls up by around 3%. Prestige down by 1.6%. Microtech Developers, DLF, Phoenix Mills up by around 1.5%. So overall, the main contribution is by Nifty Auto, Reality and Oil and Gas today. Nifty IT ended slightly lower today. That is mainly because there is a news about Wipro CEO resigning, and there is another CEO from the North America region is likely to take over from the present CEO is the news today. So because of which IT stock reacted negative today. There is a news about Excite News, because of which Excite News hit the upper circuit of 10% and ended up 17% higher. So imagine if you bought the Excite share last Friday, then probably your profit is around 17% today. So within 1 day, the news is like it has signed a pact with Hyundai and Kia for EV battery localization. So because of this news, Excite battery stocks traded 17% higher today, and it's a sunny day for refrigerator stocks. Last week also all refrigerator stocks were trading higher, and the trend, the momentum is continuing for this week also. Voltas, Blue Star, Symphony all were trading higher. I think because the bad weather is good for refrigerator stocks. That's what I feel. So the same way the bad news is good news for US market and good news is bad news for US market. Similarly, the bad weather news, in terms of sunny days is good for refrigerators. So whenever you see the temperature is rising, the stock price for refrigerator stocks is also rising. So watch the temperature and decide whether you can invest in refrigerator stocks. So just for fun I am saying, but analyze and invest before you decide to invest. So Bandhan Bank, there is a news about Chandrasekhar, current CEO, resigning from Bandhan Bank, and the new CEO is likely to take up from July. So it's a voluntary retirement from Chandrasekhar of a long period. So he is the person who is behind the growth of Bandhan Bank. Nestle stocks, the stocks were down by around 1.5%. That is because of a royalty payment to the parent company. The royalty is 5.25% actually. So having heard this news, the market reacted negative. This is something they are planning to pay in the next 5 years is what I heard. So the market probably did not react positive and the stock down by around 1.5%. So these are all the updates, stock specific updates from the Indian market today. So if you look at overall Nifty trading about 22,650. So if you look at a couple of in my videos I told, if Nifty trade about 22,500 decisively, then the range could be 22,500 to 22,800. Now 22,500 may be a strong support, that's what I feel, and 22,800 may be a strong resistance. But again 22,700, then Nifty has to cross to move further higher to 22,800. So let us wait and see, because Bank Nifty still it touched an all-time high today in intraday. But if you look at except HDFC Bank, rest of the stocks were trading all-time higher today. But there is still scope for HDFC Bank, because HDFC Bank once traded above 1,700. Now it's trading around 1,550. So another 100 points there is a chance HDFC Bank may rise, because there is a positive news that advance booking were high in HDFC Bank, because of which probably 2 days last week HDFC Bank trading with a momentum. So it's a consolidation today, then it might move up also, we don't know. If it moves up, then probably we might cross the 22,700 or 22,800 mark for Nifty. There is a probability, but again I see there is a consolidation now, because usually on Friday and Monday where we see a big move for Nifty and Bank Nifty, once the expiry starts, then probably it could be a rally because of short covering. That also may happen. So let us wait and see. Today it is good that Nifty traded positive and trading about 22,650. But at the same time US futures were trading slightly lower today. So which is an indication that we might trade consolidation for next 1 or 2 days. So however, we have to wait and see how US market trades today, then we can decide the market for tomorrow. Let us wait and see. So this is my view. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you once again. Bye.